Ladies, the hats are in. It's opening day at the races. We've been working with a hat designer named Christine Moore for years. I'm going to show you the fun hats. We have 6 models, and we're going to be doing plenty of news segments. And these are the hats that the models are going to be wearing. This is a Hatinator, and how it's designed, it's off-center. Here we go with hat number 1. Some people prefer to wear it more forward and look out one side, or a little bit more back. I don't like too much air between the head and the hat showing, so I always look in the mirror and see which way looks better. This is the first time for me seeing these hats. I absolutely love this hat. I don't have the comb attached, but once this is attached, it's very sturdy. This again is a Hatinator, and a lot of people that don't enjoy wearing hats end up loving fascinators, and fascinators can be super small to really dramatic like this. So there's our hat number 2. All right, hat number 3. So here's hat number 3. Beautiful. It ties in with the chartreuse green and the turquoise. All we have to do is steam it and fluff it a little bit, and it's like gonna be sparkling by opening day. Oh my goodness. Now this isn't over the top. I don't know what is, but this is a Barbie pink. And I said bright, bold, and dramatic, and she did exactly that. I wouldn't wear this like straight on like that, because see how it's covering you up? When it comes to a bigger brim, you sit it back more and you tip it off to the side. And usually the tag in the back lets you know that that's the back of the hat, and then so how she designed it, this is the front of the hat. You can also tip it off to this side. Okay, we've got hat number 5. So this is another example. This one's a little more subdued, but it's also very classy. I would say this is probably the classiest of all of them. This pink one's probably the sexiest. Ooh, yes, girl. Again, a little steaming, but this is more like a crown. Who doesn't want to be a queen for the day? This, my dear, is going to be fabulous. And you can wear it to the left or to the right. And on that side, you can put it on this side because the back is the same as the front. I don't know how this looks because I don't think I have the hair styled right for it, but I love creative, funky, and fabulous, and I think it's super important opening day to bring it. I say go big and party and be fabulous with the crowd. It's time to be festive and fun. Here's to opening day.